Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. I've not actually recorded a video in a long time. It's actually 2019 at the moment. February the 1st. Let me check that. February the 1st. Yeah. February the 1st, as you can see. What was it? So I've not recorded in a very long time. Last recorded video I did was probably November. So I've not recorded in about 3 months. I've not actually uploaded as well as of this date for like a month, 2 months. I'm just seeing how it pans out. At the moment my views are still about same average that I'm getting, so it's alright, because I do have 800 videos. That's the whole reason. So I could just sit, if needs be, I'll still get my views, my income, whatever, everything. If needs be, that's why I set up my channel, how I made it, by making lots and lots of content and diverse content. So yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and do this. Alright guys, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Netvue Home camera. This is the 1080p version. Actually got this is £43 on Amazon. I think they sell it on their own website, but it's in dollars, so unless you're in America it's not worth it, because you have to pay a transaction fee for your bank will charge you a transaction fee for the conversion basically. I think it's like £2, but yeah, it ends up being more expensive if you buy it through their own website, so you might as well use Amazon, and it's free delivery over £20. Okay, and then I got these memory cards as well, 32GB. These were £6 each. I actually wanted the 64GB ones, but they didn't have same delivery time, so I thought, what's the point in that? They'd rather have to wait 3 weeks for that, because I don't have Prime anymore, so that's probably why. So yeah, these were by Amazon, so that's why they could send it all together, everything that I've recently ordered. That's okay, innit? So yeah, I'll unbox these in a second. Have a look at this first. So you got Netvue Homecam, Netvue sign. I already have one of these. It's another 1080p one, but I didn't record it last time, so I'm gonna record it for you now and unbox it, and also give you a review since I've been using it. And yeah, Netvue Homecam. This is a bit dirty, I'm not sure why. We've got some security seal, 1080p, as you can see. Don't know what that is. They've actually ruined it in the new update, guys. I've had to forcefully go back in the updates for the cloud usage and shit, like mobile usage, the app. They made it so bad that you can't, if you rewind it crashes the app. So that makes the whole point of the app pointless then. You can't even record. When you press record, it crashes. And when you message developers or help, they don't help you. They just trash it. So yeah, I've had to put measures in myself and go back in app versions by downloading off the internet of some next level site. But yeah, I'm back to a stable version on this phone. This phone, I'll show you actually. I can show you actually. So this is the Netvue app. Netvue. So I got my camera up. When it eventually loads, this is the S5 by the way, so it's very slow. Okay, so say I want to rewind. Okay, I've rewinded, yeah. Rewinded to 2 AM, 38 minutes past. Now if I want to record, it records fine, but it actually doesn't record. Oh, battery's dying. So as you can see, the app's crashing now. There you go, app crashed. So that recording, there you go. Unfortunately, it's not recorded. And then crashed again when trying to restart the app. Crashed again probably. There you go. Constant crashes, guys. So that's the same on this phone. So it's not the hardware, it's the software, and that's what they don't understand. I've been telling them that, but the support team's pretty stupid. They need to change them, fire them, whatever they want to do, because they're pretty stupid and they're not going to get the problem solved in a long time. Okay, because it happened as soon as they've sent out a new update, but they don't understand that. They believe it's my hardware, and other people are complaining too, but obviously they don't care. So yeah, otherwise they're spot on at the moment. So HD camera, night vision, supports Alexa, two-way audio, so you can talk as well if you want. 24/7 cloud recording. You have to pay for that, by the way. It's £5 something a month, plus your... Sorry guys, I shall resume when the sound has stopped, if you can hear the background sound. Alright guys, I was saying that the cloud recording, you have to pay for that. It's £5 a month, £5.30 something a month, and then you have to pay your... Every month you're going to have to pay that £2 fee for the fraudulent transaction fee. So that's about £7 a month you're paying. Unless you want to pay all together in the year, that's a one-time fee you're going to pay, which saves you money, I guess. But you actually don't need that. You can just use a memory card. I've took one of the memory cards out, by the way, just now. There's only one left. I've took one out because it actually is a fiddle to get out, and I've realised I don't need to actually open this one till I need it, because I have no use for that one at the moment. So yeah, let's have a look. Multi-user access, that's true, and you can actually share it with other people as well, so that's good. Micro SD card storage, yes, that's how I'm going to run it. So basically how it works is, once it runs out of space, it'll re-record over the latest, like the last one that was recorded. So because it's 32 gig, it's going to store for a couple of days. I'd say at least 8 days, I think should be able to store on that SD card. So basically on that, once it runs out of space, it's going to start re-recording over the 8th day, which is the latest one, and you'll have the most latest ones available still. That's okay. I'm very bad at explaining this, but yeah. It's got motion alarm and HD camera. Let's go ahead and open this. I bought another one because I have one. This is an indoor camera, by the way, but I use it as an outdoor camera, which is pretty stupid, but yeah. Let's open now. Just slide it out like that. Bam, and everything's a mess. That's to calibrate it. This is how to set it up. Thank you. You got a 1-year warranty extension. If you follow them, you get a 1-year warranty extension. What the hell? I feel like that should have been, they all should have been in there. Just doesn't look right. Seems to me. Oh, this is the camera. Oh, I like it. It's actually quite nice. It's got the camera there. So this is the camera itself, as you can see. And you can change the, you can like move it around so the lens is in the right place. So it might be upside down, so you just turn it around. Or there's a setting you can take off and turn it around like that. And there's a screen protector in here. I'm not gonna take it off for now. Actually, I might as well. Ooh, it's dirty as shit. I don't feel like this is new. We'll have to see anyway. But it doesn't really matter that much, because that's where the camera lens is. The dirt is around here. That's where the IR lenses are, like night vision. And yeah, so yeah, you charge it through that. Well, it's not charged, it has to be powered up with that. And the SD card slot is there. So we're going to run this one off the SD card, because I'm not paying per device. You have to pay as well, by the way. It's not per your account, it's per device. So now that I have 2 accounts, I'll have to either pay £10 a month or use the SD card. Nice. So hopefully everything runs fine. Not tried it with the SD card yet. Hopefully it will be okay. Seems to be a hole there, I'm not sure why. Can't even focus on it. There's a hole there, not sure why. This is a bit dirty. I feel like they gave me a used one, even though I bought a brand new one. What can you do? Is that the design or is that dirt? That does not look new to me. What the actual fuck? Yeah, I think I'm not too happy with it. Oh shit. Yeah, that's definitely not new. Look at that. Rip through. Let's have a look here. So So it looks to me that they've repackaged it. Got a generic charger. That should be the charger cable. So yeah, that's the charger cable. Yep, charger cable. And you got mounting points and stuff like that if you need it. I don't think you'll actually need them. Depends how you mount it. You can mount it like to walls and stuff. It is an indoor camera, but like I said, I've been using it as an outdoor camera. So that's probably why I don't use the mounts. But you can use it for that, I guess. So yeah. I would show you the footage, but I really can't. So actually, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the quality of it, I guess. Let me go back on the Netvue app. So you got the regular setting. So I've named the kitchen because it used to be my kitchen when I first got it. Because I like to add an idea for it, but yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we got the thing there, yeah. So you got the HD setting if you want. That, and then you got the standard setting. HD goes to 1080p and standard is 360p. Then you can put it automatic, so it goes off your internet connection. So that's just watching the outside of my house, so that's okay in it. So yeah, and then you rewind like this. Obviously it doesn't work because it crashes. And yeah, you got motions here. These are motions. So once it detects a motion, there you go, 306. You can change the sensitivity of it as well. So this is the motions. So it shows you. So as you can see there, it's detected that car moving, so that's a motion. And yeah, there's a lot of settings in here that you can sort out and stuff. Got motion detection settings. I've got it in full sensitivity, so any movement at all will trigger it. And yeah, motion zones, you can turn off zones. So if you don't want, say there's a lot of movement here, but you just want to be watching over here, you can turn off all these so you don't get any motions detected for that. Motion time, you can set a time for it, like at night time. If you're going to sleep, you can put motion on. Cloud service, as you can see, 24/7 cloud service. Finishes in the 20th of February because I only bought a month. Then after that, I'm going to put SD card in the other one as well. That's why I bought 2 SD cards. So this one's got that as well. So this one's set for now. Motion detection storage. So this is how they make a lot of money, you know. Cloud recording, that's when they make money of that. And if you want to store your motion detections, you have to pay for that as well, guys. Fucking hell, guys. That's retarded, that. Basically, it'll store video of the motion detection. Right now, I only got pictures. Like, these were just pictures as you saw. God damn it, I can't find it. There you go. Like, these are just pictures, but that one will store actual full videos. That's just a picture. Still picture. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Check out Netvue's camera if you want it. I'm not sure if you would like it, but yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos. I'm going to put more effort back into my YouTube channel. I might be starting a business section too, professional business sections or stuff, and yeah, so stick forward for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.